Here I have POCO M5, and today I'm going to show you how to customize watermark in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera and tap on three stripes, go to its settings and then go to the watermark. So here you can add custom watermark. In order to do this, you only have to enable device watermark, and now you can also add your custom text, so you can enter your name or your surname or nickname, up to 14 characters. You can enter anything you want. I'm just gonna enter my favorite YouTube channel's name, and now let's try this feature out by taking some photo for an example. And as you can see, here I have my phone model and here my custom watermark. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.